Today I will show you how to create this cheerful pineapple pattern using watercolor and bubble wrap. I begin by painting simple pineapple shapes. For the first pineapple, I'm using lemon yellow and cerulean blue. You can see the colors blending naturally on the paper. You can make the shape slightly wider at the bottom and little narrower at the top, or simply paint rounded rectangles like I did. Before the paint starts to dry, I place a piece of bubble wrap over it. Since I have a fan running above, I place a weight on top to keep the bubble wrap from shifting from its place. For the remaining pineapples, I'm experimenting with different yellow and blue combinations. Each pair creates its own unique texture and color variations. I want you to try the pigments you already have on your palette and see which combination becomes your favorite. It's not necessary for every pineapple to look identical. A little variation in shape makes the final pattern look more natural. After trying with different combinations of yellows and blues on my palette, I placed the bubble wrap over it and allowed it to dry completely. Everything is completely dry now, so it's finally time for the reveal. I gently peel away the bubble wrap. This is my favorite part because you never know exactly how each pineapple will turn out. The texture has appeared beautifully, and now they finally begin to look like pineapples. Now let's bring everything together with the blue background. I mixed cerulean blue with ultramarine and a plenty of water to it to create a light value which is used to paint the background. We are using a very light value so that the colorful pineapples remains the main focus without competing with the background. After painting the background, I allow the paper to dry completely. Once the background is completely dry, it's time to paint the pineapple crowns. I'm mixing lemon yellow with ultramarine to create a fresh green and using just quick and loose brush strokes, I paint the crowns. They don't need to be perfect because the overall shape is more important than every individual leaf. For the darker areas, I simply add a little more ultramarine to give it a natural look. For the final step, I'm using yellow ochre to add small wide V-shaped mark along the bottom of each texture, that is bubble wrap texture. This simple details suggest those pineapple scales and make the bubble wrap texture look even more convincing. And that's our finished pineapple pattern. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. See you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye from Prema.